We are running out of time as the shift to the new Earth is imminent. Don't wait until you have no choice. Time is accelerating, and we are approaching a critical juncture where the decision of whether to continue your life on the old or new Earth must be made. This isn't meant to frighten you. It's intended to awaken you and remind you that the era of complacency has ended. We are facing a crucial mission, and you are not waiting for a savior. You are the savior. It's time to take responsibility for your life and life's purpose. In this pivotal moment in history, we find ourselves in a transitional period, as anticipated by visionaries throughout history. We are currently living in a time of two contrasting realities, a moment of choice presented to humanity. However, this period is not everlasting. As Earth undergoes a transformation to a higher dimension, we have the opportunity to join her on this magnificent journey. The ascension train will depart soon, and the chance to inhabit the fifth dimensional world without experiencing the chaos of the third dimension will be lost forever. The window for ascension is closing, and it is crucial to decide which side you want to be on. When we observe the world today, it is easy to become disheartened. Global events may seem to be spiraling out of control, and it may appear that negative forces are prevailing. It's natural to feel there's no hope for humanity, but in reality, there is no competition or war to win. The shift is inevitable. Those anchored in the fifth dimensional reality watch tranquilly, knowing the question is not if we will shift, but when we will shift. The third dimensional reality, with its power structures and governmental systems, may try to convince you that the conflicts they initiate are your own, and you should live in fear of what's to come. They want you to remain in a low vibrational state of fear and helplessness. Remember this fundamental truth: where you place your attention, you invest your energy, and you nourish those very concepts and structures. It's essential to disconnect from sources that seek to trap you in fear and separation. Turn off the television, step away from social media, and pause endless streaming on platforms like Netflix. These are tools designed to capture your attention and consume your precious time. The real battle isn't visible to the casual observer. The real struggle is for your mind and your attention. Do not fall into these traps. Resist fear and separation. The beautiful part of all of this is that you don't have to wait for the shift to happen. You can already start living in the fifth dimensional reality. It begins by working on your vibrational frequency, shedding old limiting beliefs, and embracing love, kindness, and unity consciousness. You have the power to start living as if the shift could happen at any moment. So how can you begin this transformation and align yourself with the new Earth? Let's explore some practical steps and profound insights to empower you on this journey. The concept of raising your vibration is a fundamental and transformative aspect of your journey towards the new Earth. Imagine yourself as a tuning fork resonating at a certain frequency. This frequency is determined by your thoughts, emotions, and actions. To shift to a higher dimension, you must elevate your vibrational frequency. Consider this: when you experience fear, anger, or hatred, your vibration resonates at a lower frequency. These emotions are like heavy anchors that keep you tethered to the lower dimensions. They can create a sense of stagnation, stress, and disconnection from the higher truths of the universe. On the other hand, love, joy, and gratitude are emotions that vibrate at a much higher frequency. When you embody these emotions, you raise your vibrational state. You become more aligned with the energies of the new Earth, characterized by love, unity, and harmony. So, how can you practically raise your vibration? It starts with self-awareness. Take a moment to observe your thoughts and emotions throughout the day. Are they predominantly positive or negative? Are they aligned with love and compassion, or do they feed into fear and separation? Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools to help you gain better control over your mental and emotional state. These practices allow you to step back and observe your thoughts without judgment. When you become the observer of your thoughts, you can choose to shift your focus towards more positive and uplifting thoughts. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and people who uplift your spirit is also crucial. Your environment has a significant impact on your vibration. Spend time with individuals who radiate positivity and love, for their energy will naturally elevate yours. To fully embrace the shift to the new earth, you must release old limiting beliefs that no longer serve you. Many of these beliefs have been ingrained in us by society, culture, or our upbringing. They often create a sense of separation, scarcity, and limitation, incompatible with the higher dimensions of existence. Take a moment to reflect on your beliefs. What stories do you tell yourself about who you are and what you're capable of? Are there beliefs that hold you back from pursuing your dreams and living in alignment with your purpose? These limiting beliefs act as roadblocks on your journey to the new earth, manifesting as self-doubt, procrastination, or feelings of unworthiness. It's time to challenge and release them. Love is the highest vibrational frequency in the universe, lying at the core of the new Earth's essence. To align with this higher dimension, make love and compassion the guiding principles of your life. Begin by practicing kindness, not only towards others, but also towards yourself. Self-compassion is often overlooked, but is equally important. Treat yourself with the same love and care that you extend to others. Forgiveness is another essential aspect of embracing love and compassion. Release any grudges or resentments that weigh you down. Understand that holding on to these negative emotions only keeps you tethered to the past, preventing you from fully embracing the present moment and the possibilities of the new earth. Love and compassion are transformative forces that have the power to heal and elevate. When you approach life with an open heart, you not only raise your vibration, but also contribute to the collective shift towards a more loving and harmonious world. Imagine a world where each individual embodies love and compassion. Conflict and division would dissipate, and unity and understanding would prevail. Unity consciousness is a profound shift in perspective that holds the key to creating a harmonious and interconnected world. It's the realization that separation is an illusion, and we are all threads in the intricate tapestry of existence. Embrace this perspective in your daily life as a powerful catalyst for your own transformation and the collective shift. Recognize the divinity in every being and every aspect of nature. Understand that we are all interconnected and the essence of the universe flows through each one of us. When you look into the eyes of another person, see the spark of divinity that resides within them. When you observe the natural world, see it as a reflection of the divine order. Practice empathy and understanding in your interactions with others. Seek to understand their perspectives, even if they differ from your own. Instead of focusing on divisions and differences, look for the common ground that unites us all. Remember that beneath the surface, we share universal desires for love, happiness, and fulfillment. One of the most profound shifts you can make is to live as if the shift to the new earth can happen at any moment. This powerful mindset shift can catalyze profound personal and collective change. It means fully embracing the idea that you are a co-creator of your reality and that your thoughts, emotions, and actions have a direct impact on your experience. Consider this: if you knew that the shift to the new earth was imminent, how would you choose to live your life right now? What changes would you make? What dreams and desires would you pursue without hesitation? This mindset invites you to break free from the confines of procrastination and self-doubt. It urges you to take action towards your highest potential and live in alignment with your purpose. In our modern world, we are bombarded with fear-based media that often focuses on the negative aspects of life. News outlets frequently highlight conflict, violence, and despair, creating a constant undercurrent of anxiety and hopelessness in society. While it's essential to stay informed, it's equally crucial to discern the sources of information you consume. Consider taking steps to reduce your exposure to fear-based media that keeps you in a state of anxiety. Choose media that informs, uplifts, and inspires you. Seek out content that resonates with your higher self and supports your journey towards the new earth. This doesn't mean burying your head in the sand or ignoring important issues. It means being selective about the sources of information you trust and recognizing when it's time to disconnect from the relentless cycle of negative news. Balance your information intake with uplifting and educational content that nourishes your mind and soul. Nature is a powerful and wise teacher. Spending time in nature allows you to connect with the Earth's energy and gain insight into the natural flow of life. It's a reminder that we are an integral part of a harmonious ecosystem, and that the Earth herself is undergoing a profound transformation. Take moments to immerse yourself in nature's beauty. Go for walks in the woods, sit by a serene river, or simply spend time in your garden. As you do, listen to the whispers of the wind, the songs of the birds, and the rustling of leaves. Feel the grounding energy of the earth beneath your feet. Nature is in a constant state of flow, adaptation, and renewal. When you align with nature, you align with the shift towards the new earth. You learn to embrace change, trust the cyclical rhythms of life, and connect with the wisdom of the natural world. Finally, trust is a foundational element of your journey towards the new earth. Understand that this journey is one of profound transformation, both individually and collectively. There will be challenges and moments of uncertainty along the way, but these are opportunities for growth and learning. Have faith in your own evolution and the evolution of humanity. Trust that the universe is guiding you towards a higher state of consciousness. You are not alone on this journey. Countless beings of light and love are supporting the shift. Trust also means surrendering to the divine flow of life. It means letting go of the need to control every aspect of your existence and allowing the higher intelligence of the universe to guide you. When you trust the process, you open yourself to the magic and synchronicities that are an inherent part of the shift towards the new earth. We find ourselves at a crossroads in the history of our planet, a pivotal moment that demands our attention and action. The shift to the new earth is not a distant future event. It is happening right now, and the clock is ticking. The question is not whether it will happen, but when will it happen, and where will you be when it does? The choice is yours. Will you align yourself with the higher dimensions of love, unity, and harmony, or will you remain tethered to the lower vibrations of fear and separation? The time for complacency is over. It's time to take responsibility for your life and your vibrational frequency. Embrace love and compassion as guiding principles. Release limiting beliefs. Practice unity consciousness and live as if the shift can happen at any moment. Choose your sources of information wisely. Connect with nature and trust in the journey of transformation. The train to the new earth is departing soon. Make sure you're on board, ready to create a brighter, more harmonious future for yourself and humanity as a whole.